Okay, we're going to look at how to get your M4A files for podcasting onto YouTube. So what you're going to do first of all is you're going to right click on your file wherever it is, whether it's in a folder, whether it's on your desktop, and what I want you to do first of all is click on duplicate. That's going to create a second copy of your original, so I'm going to move my original out of the way, and this way I don't have to worry about whether or not I screw things up. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to right click, and that's 2 fingers down on the trackpad, on my file, and I'm going to go to Get Info. When I click on Get Info, you're going to see all the information about that particular file. At the time you click in, you're going to see everything closed. What I'm looking for is this spot right here that says Name and Extension. So when I click on that name and extension, it's going to drop down and it will give me my copy.m4a. I'm going to click at the end of the dot and I'm going to take away the extension, but I need to have the dot there, and I'm going to put MP4. So now I have the name of my file, .mp4. When I press enter, it is going to prompt me to either keep the M4A file or use the MP4. So I'm going to click on MP4, but remember this is just the copy, so I don't have to worry about my original document. So now my document has been transformed from a GarageBand item to an MP4, which can be uploaded to YouTube. So when I get into YouTube, this is just an example. This is the same file. It's just called something different at this point. You obviously would click on upload, and then once you click on the upload, you're going to click on the file to select and then find your file. All right, so I'm going to go back and let me get my file again real quick so that you can see what happens. Once it has uploaded and you've clicked on it, and let me pause this because that's just a test, I am going to click on the URL at the top, the address, and I will copy it and go to Blogger. Once in Blogger, I'm going to post my title, and inside, here's what's great. I can click over here on my video and I can do a couple things. First of all, I have my file, so I can either upload the MP4 directly here. I can click on from YouTube and I can click and put in my address, or I can click on my YouTube videos and you'll see right here is Just a Test, which is that file that was my podcast, and click on select. I can click on this document, or I can click on this item, and I should be able to, I thought it would give me a center option, but I will come down here, change my text, and I can add in whatever text I want for just descriptions, etc. I click on publish. Clearly I could have done all of my other work as far as categories, and when I click on the blog, here is my item. It is taking a couple seconds for it to load, and then I will have the ability to press play and it will play my podcast, and that's all you have to do.